Okay, I'm heading out to a job. The lady said her door would not go down. So it might be an opener issue. I don't know what it is. But anyway, I'm going out there. It's actually Sunday. She called on Friday. I'm going out today, and just on the way there, I just got another one I just wrote down. Another lady, door only goes up about a foot, stops. It's probably a broken spring. So I'm gonna do those two for you today, and we'll see how it goes. I'll see you when I get to the job too.
Hi there.
Hi, how are you doing? Okay, okay. Man, this thing runs good.
Nice to meet you, and thanks for coming. I so appreciate it.
Uh-huh.
Right here.
Yeah, I can do all that, but
do you
they're
have a
not
recommend-
blinking.
Yeah,
Go ahead
so
and
you
push
said-
it. Let me see what it does.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, so you probably just need service because the door coming to here and not staying up is in the springs that need to be adjusted. Do you want to just do door service and I'll do everything?
If you can do everything and anything, we are,
Do-
yes.
Door service is
I will-
$349 is
Yeah,
door service.
yeah, whatever. Yeah, 'cause I
This,
would
this
like it-
alone is if it goes too far,
Yeah.
like this, that means that there's no tension on it and the cables could pop off. See these cables up in there?
Well, I wanted to ask you because I honestly, this thing's old. Is there a more reliable garage, like to get a new setup, and do you do that?
Yeah, I think we put this door in.
Is usually an issue where it doesn't close, and then I have to like move stuff.
Well, that has nothing to do with the type of garage. Any garage cannot close.
Okay.
But I like this door actually. I mean,
Okay.
it actually goes
Okay,
up
thank you.
easy.
Okay.
You got these built-in struts on them where
Okay.
it doesn't sag, and then the opener looks good too.
Great.
You just probably just need to get it serviced. This here tells me that there's not enough tension on the spring. So if it goes too far up and you don't have any tension, those
Mm-hmm.
cables will pop off.
And you know, I wanted to redo my code. I took it off because I could not figure it out. It works.
Yeah,
On-
yeah.
on
You just
the
want to
code I
change
go
the
on.
code.
Yes.
Yeah,
If
yeah,
you
yeah.
could help me do
yeah,
that
I can do
too.
that. So, all right, let me bring everything in, and it should be
my-
working
my-
when I'm done.
sorry.
Just gonna add tension to the spring. Okay. Setting the limit. Added tension to the springs. Made it a little more springier. That is all set. Okay, so now the door when I got here wouldn't stay up. Now it opens and it stays up. See that? The door would come down on its own, but now it's staying up. So I had to reset the limits up here because when it went to push it down, whenever you add tension to the spring, and it's used to the other setting, so it would reverse and go back up. So it thinks it's hitting something. So you have to reset the sensitivity on the opener to the new setting on the door. So that's that. And now I just got to do a regular service on it. Bye. So here's the money. I got 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 50. She gave me $350 instead of $349. That was easy money. Anyway, to the next one. Hello? Do you want me to come there? Anyway, the springs on that, lifting it manually, I released it, and it's way too heavy for the opener. So the springs need to be upgraded. The door you can't lift by hand. And I could fix the weight by putting bigger springs on it. It has to be balanced. You're supposed to have your door 26 inches off the
Hey, why
ground.
don't you go ahead and do that?
Did that car move at all in the garage? Can you back it up?
Yeah, no, I can move it. The Porsche?
I didn't even look. I thought it was an electric car.
No, I wouldn't have an electric. It's a Porsche.
Do you like it?
Love it.
Really?
It's really fast. My wife, she has a Porsche also. But
Where did I come in at? Down here, right? I like your carpet. See the springs up there? They're not broke, but I'm gonna put in a little bigger spring down here. The blue 38 and a gold 33. Because this door is very heavy. You go to lift this door, look. It just wants to come down. So that poor opener up there has to lift it. So I'm just gonna change out these springs and charge $1,295. Take me about 30 minutes. For all you people tell me not to use an impact on these set screws. I've been doing this 40 years. After the cable, I do the cables first in 10 minutes. I'm putting together the spring. I got this cable on here, both cables on. See this one here? These are bolted together up here. Then I'm gonna get my wind-up bar and I'm gonna start winding. See when it does that after a spring change? Then you gotta come up here and you gotta redo these. Gotta reset the limits. Okay, there's $12.95 I got for a spring change. That took me about 30, 40 minutes. The $12.95 plus the $350, $1,645, probably about an hour's work. Sun's still way up there. Going home early. You can go out and do these all the time, all the time. All right, talk at you. I don't know how many of these videos you guys got to see to convince yourself that this is a great business every time you go out. This is real. You get calls, you go out, you make the money. You're watching me do it all the time. And there's other people you can go watch too that do it all the time, like the Garage Door Kid. He's out there doing it. He's only 20 years old. So anyway, get involved with this business. We have so many people that have taken our course. They're making a lot of money. And maybe you don't feel like you could, but I'm here to tell you, you can. You can do one job a week and make more than you'll make all week working for somebody. I'm telling you guys the truth. This isn't one of those scam things online where it doesn't work. You guys that are out there doing the same thing in a meaningless job, doing something and you feel like you're never going to get out of it, get into the garage door business. If you do this right, within a year, you'll be a millionaire. GarageDoorTrainingSchool.com. Our school's proven. We're going to get you into business. We'll see you in the class. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.